We got 2 Goodman units and a little Carrier 38 CKC. This one is a heat pump.
Yep. Looks like they redid the mulch since the last time.
And these 2 are straight cool.
Smells nice.
This is a 2013 3-ton?
This one's 2015.
Nice.
Yep.
This is actually a 2-ton.
I'm sorry. This is 2015. And this is 2013. I think I'm correct.
So this one's 2015.
Yeah.
This one is 2000.
I've gotten this one defrosting. I've gotten everything.
Actually, this is 2014.
The air handler, fun fact. The air handler to this one is right behind the wall.
And I would imagine the furnaces for these 2 are upstairs.
I believe.
Or in the attic.
The one for this one is right behind the wall. That one I use in the attic. I've seen the ones in the basement because we've worked here, but I've never actually bothered with the one in the attic.
Yeah, that sounds like a pain to even get to. Usually you disconnect boxes.
Alright, that'll be it.
Did you put this logo here?
Yeah, I did. Alright, is that it? How much longer as you can, or if you can already tell for it. So.
Yeah.
This one.
Guess that'll be it. Hey, this one's been running. Alright, out.